In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to update your Windows 11. First, I'm going to move my cursor down to the Start icon on the taskbar and give it a click. From the Start menu that pops up, I'll find and select Settings. Now that I'm in the Settings window, I'll look to the navigation pane on the left and click on Windows Update. Next, I'm going to click the Check for Updates button. Now I'll just let Windows search for any available updates for my system. Once the check is complete, I can see an update is listed right here. It's already downloaded and is just pending a restart. Now I have the option to Restart Now. If I click the small arrow, I can also choose to schedule the restart for a time that's more convenient for me. And that's all I needed to do. Keeping your system updated is crucial for security and performance. If I was able to help you out, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.